Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Wantable. So Wantable is an online styling services. Many of you know about it, have ordered from them in the past. I do subscribe to Wantable. I'm currently on a quarterly schedule, which I keep pushing out. They recently had a special for a Cozytober box, and they were only offering for $5. I did not get an email inviting me to get a Cozytober box, but my friend Shannon from Shannon Style did. And she says, should I order a box? And I say, stay strong, don't order a box. She goes, too late, I ordered one. Then I was like, oh, I'm jealous, I want one. I don't have a $5 offer. So she mailed me her $5 ordering a box coupon, and it worked for me, so I ordered a box for $5. Now, Wantable is not one of my favorite styling services. I rarely order from them, and the reason why is I never get anything that I care for. Very seldom, very few times. So I only order when there's a ton of stuff on my wish list, and I know that I can't get the items easier somewhere elsewhere, because the chances of me getting something that I want are slim to none. My wardrobe's full. I don't want things that I just don't need or want to wear. I need to be very specific about what I want to purchase. But I figured $5, hey, I'm kind of jealous, wanted something to entertain me. So let's discuss the first couple items. First, and again, I only paid $5 for this box. If I decide to keep anything, that $5 gets applied. Usually a box is $20, I believe. And keep 5 or more of the 7 items, I get 20% off. The first thing that they send me for free, if I knew I was going to get a box, I wouldn't have ordered one myself, but I recently purchased from Amazon for $12 a little fanny pack, and basically this one is Sherpa. It's cute, but I actually like the one from Amazon better because to me, Sherpa can really only be used in the fall and winter, and I plan on going away in March, and mine's nylon, and it would be great if it gets wet, etc. So even though this is nice that they sent it as a free gift, I'm probably going to send it back with the rest of this box. What's up next is this cable knit beanie with contrast cuff and faux fur pom, all right? The price on this is $32. I go through the stream. You could have a stream on Wantable and you can add items to your wish list. I go through that stream very diligently, and I decline all accessories like this. I don't want a hat. I seldom wear hats. I rather go freezing outside. There are times that when I do need a hat, maybe once a year, I have my one hat that I will wear, and that hat I'll pay like $10 for at Target. I am not paying $32 for a hat. I don't like them. All right, so this is going back. Okay, now on to the clothes. The first item is this One Track Mind Sherpa in a desert plaid, size extra small, for $84 by Thread and Supply. Now, Thread and Supply is a name I like. I actually have a shacket from them in like a camel color that I got from a Nordstrom anniversary sale a few years ago. So this is a nice quality little Sherpa. It's like in a plaid of tan and gray, which is right up my alley, being neutral. I like that. It has snap fronts. It has pockets here on the side that have that. It's 100% polyester on the outside. There is a lining on it, which is mostly polyester and rayon. I think it's like 65 poly, 45 rayon. So, it's a cute little Sherpa, but I certainly don't need it. It isn't something I'm missing out of my wardrobe, especially for $84. So the Sherpa is going back, okay? Here is the front of it. Here is the back of it. It has like a little collar here, and you can snap it all the way up like around your neck if you want. All right. The next thing that they sent me is this little hoodie in burgundy. This hoodie is a brushed knit hoodie, which we know Carolyn doesn't like. It has a pull in it, so I don't know if you could see that. It has a pull in it. So I don't like brushed knit. I don't like things with pulls in it. And this is, hold on, I'll tell you what the material of this thing is made out of. 70% rayon, 26% polyester, 4% spandex. It is the long sleeve Hachi hoodie with seam detail in burgundy, size extra small, for $69 by Love Apella. And that is just, to me, outrageous for something like this. It's very thin. It's soft. You know what's going to happen to it. It's going to pill after one wear. It has the kangaroo pocket that goes all the way here through in the front. It has working drawstring, and it obviously has a hood, and it obviously has this seaming detail. And there are no banded cuffs, and there is a banded bottom on this. And this is a size extra small. The Sherpa was also an extra small. And obviously this is a quite generous extra small. It comes down pretty long on me. So here's the front of it. Here's the back of it. Okay. The next item are the pants, and these were on my wish list. Okay. These are the Anissa Melange knit wide leg pant in sand, size extra small, $98. They're by Toboggan, white label. And I did request these pants. However, I won't be getting them. I guess nobody can tell when I'm wearing these, but these are sweatpants. These are sweatpants. They're fleece lined sweatpants. And, you know, I just thought they would be a little bit more elevated than they are. They do have the seaming detail down here, and they're in like a marled sand. So they're a sand color with black running through it. And I'm wearing this outfit, so it kind of goes with the actual Sherpa. So this is, she actually told me to wear together. And I could totally see that. So this was her recommendation: the pants, the Sherpa, and this hoodie together. They're really nice pants, but again, they're not something I'm gonna cry my eyes out, and especially for $98 if I don't keep them. Alrighty. Oh, and the pants are, I think it was 45% cotton and I think 65% polyester. So it's a cotton poly mix. Give me a minute and I'll try on the next pieces for you. Okay, this next outfit is definitely more my style, and both pieces I actually requested. So I have on the same pants, again, the $98 Toboggan white label pants, Anissa Melange knit wide leg pants. Sand, again, they're beige, but they're marled with like a black or a gray through here. It has the seaming down front. These are sweatpants. They might be loose and everything, but they are fleece lined. So they're nice and cozy. You have to admit, it fits in with the Cozytober theme very closely. And I like the way this look is better because it's more elevated. It's casual but elevated. Putting the fleece on and the hoodie, to me, that just isn't my style. That's a little bit too casual for me. This is more me, where it's a little bit more elevated. I paired it with my black mules to give me some height so I don't look so stumpy and frumpy in this. And paired with it is this driftwood cardigan. This is an embroidered pointelle cardigan in black, size extra small, $128. Now, it's cute. It's a very pretty cardigan. No doubt about it, but $128, I don't love it that much. And this is 80% cotton, 20% nylon. And I know driftwood's expensive. I like driftwood. I like it a lot. But it's just, you know, and I like it, but it's just not saying buy me. And same with the pants. I like them a lot. I like this outfit. I think she had the right idea and everything. But for me, it's just not worth it to spend this kind of money. I'd rather buy something that makes my heart pitter patter. And this just does not. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the last outfit. Okay, up next is this textured pullover sweater in berry for $69. This is by Woven Heart, and the material on this is mostly polyester. I'll tell you in a second. 74% polyester, 24% acrylic, and 2% elastane. So no natural fibers here. It has like a knitting detail here on the sleeve, but then a horizontal knitting detail across the top. It has the high cruo neck that I'm not that fond of. I did have this on my wish list. It's $69, which I don't think is a horrible price for a sweater. I actually think that's fairly reasonable. But to be honest with you, this does not stand out to me enough. I think I can get something similar at Loft when they're having one of their sales for even cheaper. If it were like unique and unusual, I might get it, but it's just not standing out as a buy me. And it is a crop style, but on me, because I'm a shorty, that's no big deal. I actually prefer it to be cropped. They sent these jeans. Now, I've never heard of this brand. I didn't request them, and she sent them in a size 24. Well, I'm a 25, so I'm like a stuffed sausage in these. These are the Noemi, Noemi high-rise wide leg crop in Pacific Coast. The company is called Unpublished. That's who makes this jean. I've never heard of it before. $115. Again, pricey jeans. I was just wearing a pair of loft jeans like this yesterday, which I'm going to put in the donate pile. I don't think these jeans kind of flatter me, to be honest with you. This silhouette, I don't think it's kind of flattering. Even when I wear my heels, I just feel it kind of makes me look stumpier. Stumpy and dumpy. So that was my Wantable box. What did you all think? I thought the pants that I had on my wish list, they're nice. I wasn't expecting them to be thick sweatpants. And that driftwood sweater, which I had on my list, was nice, but not for $128. If that driftwood sweater was the $69, I probably would have gotten it because the embroidery makes it special, and I wouldn't mind something special to my wardrobe, but I just didn't feel this box had anything that exciting and enough for me to keep. A fuzzy Sherpa jacket really isn't my style, and I already have a tan jacket already. It was a pretty plaid, it was neutrals and everything, but again, $84. I mean, So unfortunately, this whole box is going back, but the good news is I only spent $5 on it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I do a lot of shopping hauls, try-ons. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to make sure you get notified of future videos from me. Take care. Until next time.